Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Wherever you're watching me from, you are welcome. Okay, in today's video, we'll be sharing the health benefits of pawpaw leaves and also the health benefits of bushbuck leaves. The scientific name of bushbuck leaf is Gongronema, and we also be sharing in this video how to prepare the juice. Yes, so bushbuck leaves helps in treatment of cough, it helps in treatment of internal worms, it helps in treatment of malaria. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more videos. Thank you. Bushbuck leaves also regulate blood level. Okay, today's video is all about preparing a simple recipe for treatment of hepatitis B, treatment of malaria, and treatment of typhoid. It is super effective. It is very effective. Yes, so all you need to do is to watch this video till this very end to learn how to prepare your juice and also how to consume your juice for effective results. So all you need in this recipe is your two giant female pawpaw leaves. Female pawpaw are those pawpaw that bears fruit or produces edible fruit. So get two giant leaves of female pawpaw leaves, then get your bushbuck leaves as well, at least this quantity that I use in this video. Wash everything together, then after washing it, you cut it into pieces. I cut mine into pieces so that, or I slice mine so I'll be able to crush it or blend it. So if you don't have a blender, you can use this mortar to crush your leaves. Crush both leaves together. Just cut it, put inside your mortar, then you use your pestle to crush it. After crushing it, add 2 cups of water to your crushed leaves. Then after that, you strain your tea, just 2 cups of water to it. But if you have a blender, just after washing and slicing your leaves, both leaves, the pawpaw and the bushbuck leaves, you put inside your blender and add 2 cups of water to it. But in this video, I added 1 cup to mine because I blended it twice. So the first one I added 1 cup of water, the second one I added another 1 cup of water, making it 2. But if you are using a bigger cup, you add just 1 cup of water to it. But if you are using a smaller cup like mine, add 2 cups of water to your leaves, then blend everything together. After blending it, you strain your tea. Then after straining it, you preserve it in a container, in an airtight container. You can preserve it in a bottle, whatever you want to use in preserving your tea. Once your tea finishes, you prepare a new one. Don't add extra water to your juice. Just after the 2 cups you have added, you strain everything out, store your tea. Then once your tea finishes, prepare a new one. Follow the same method and prepare a new juice. And continue taking it. So after straining it, the shaft that remained is also effective. You can use it as your spices. Maybe if you are preparing your soup, you are making your stew, you are making your pap, you are taking your custard, then just sprinkle a little of the shaft inside your stew, your soup, your pepper soup. Then whatever you are just making, just sprinkle a little inside your pap and then take it. It is super effective. Okay, for hepatitis B, you are going to be taking one small shot. I'll show you in this video. One small shot. Take 1 small shot in the morning, 1 small shot in the night for 10 to 15 days. You may see results before the 15th day based on the stage your hepatitis B is. Then if you are taking it in the morning, you wait for like 30 to 45 minutes before having your breakfast. Then if you are taking it in the night, you do the same thing. Or if you have taken your tea already, you wait for like 1 hour before you take your dinner. Then for malaria and typhoid, you are going to be taking 1 shot in the morning, 1 shot in the night for good 5 days. Be consistent with it, don't skip it. It is effective. Then 1 shot in the morning for malaria, 1 shot is in the night. A child from 5 years upward can also take it, but the zone quantity will be small and a pregnancy women are not advised to consume this tea. So that's the end of today's video. And if you are watching this video till this very end, thanks for watching. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more videos, and also share our videos to your friends and to your loved ones. Then give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video.